Samsung's One UI 8.5 offers many hidden tools and smart features that can improve privacy, performance, and daily convenience. Below are 10 important features explained in a simple and detailed way. One UI feature 1. Hide apps without using a launcher. To keep certain apps private, start by going to your home screen and pressing and holding on an empty area. A menu will appear. Tap Settings from the bottom corner. Now scroll slowly until you find Hide apps on home and app screens. Tap it and you'll see a full list of installed apps. Select the apps you don't want visible, then press Done to confirm. These apps will disappear from the app drawer but can still be opened by searching their name in the top search bar. One UI feature 2. Edge Panel Shortcut Menu. Open the Settings app and scroll until you find Display. Tap it, then look for Edge Panels and switch it on. Once enabled, a small transparent tab appears on the side of your screen. Swipe it inward to access quick tools like apps, contacts, or clipboard shortcuts without leaving your current screen. One UI feature 3. RAM Plus Virtual Memory Boost. Go into Settings, then scroll down and tap Battery and Device Care. Next, select Memory and find RAM Plus at the bottom. Tap it and choose how much internal storage you want to use as extra RAM. After selecting, restart your phone so the changes take effect. This helps multitasking feel smoother on mid-range devices. One UI feature 4. Auto Factory Reset. After failed unlocks, open Settings and go to Lock Screen. Tap Secure Lock Settings, then enter your PIN or pattern. Scroll carefully until you see Auto Factory Reset and enable it. If someone repeatedly enters the wrong password, the phone will erase all data automatically for security. One key UI feature 5. Background App Limit Controls. To manage battery usage, open Settings, then go to Battery and Device Care. Tap Battery, then select Background Usage Limits. Turn on Put Unused Apps to Sleep. You can also manually add apps to deep sleep so they never run in the background. For advanced control, go to About Phone, Software Information, then tap Build number 7 times to unlock developer options. Inside developer options, scroll to Background Process Limit and set how many apps can run at once. One UI feature 6. Circle to search. Open Settings and go to Display, then tap Navigation bar. Enable Circle to search. Now, while using your phone, hold the home bar or navigation handle. The screen will dim slightly and you can circle any object, text, or image. Google instantly shows results without switching apps. One UI feature 7. Check battery health. Open the Samsung Members app. At the bottom, tap Support, then choose Phone Diagnostics. Select battery status to run a quick test. It will show whether your battery condition is good, normal, or needs replacement. One UI feature 8. Enable Auto Blocker. Go to Settings, then scroll to Security and Privacy. Tap Auto Blocker and turn it on. Confirm the prompt to activate it. This helps block harmful apps, suspicious downloads, and unauthorized USB actions. One UI feature 9. Dual Messenger 2 accounts. Open Settings, then scroll to Advanced Features. Tap Dual Messenger. You will see a list of supported apps like WhatsApp or Facebook. Turn on the toggle for the app you want to duplicate, then confirm installation. A second version of the app will appear so you can use 2 accounts on one phone. One UI feature 10. Lock photos in gallery. Open the Gallery app, tap the menu icon, 3 lines, and go into Settings. Scroll down and tap About Gallery, then repeatedly tap the version number until you see Gallery Labs enabled. Go back, open Gallery Labs, and enable Album Entry Lock. After restarting your phone, you can long press any album and lock it using a password or PIN. These features make Samsung phones more powerful, secure, and customizable when you know where to find them.